It's important to check brake pad and rotor thickness at regular maintenance intervals to ensure safe operation and to maximize brake rotor life. Tools required: the Hendrickson ADB Wear Indicator Tool S37340. Use the Hendrickson Wear Indicator Tool to measure rotor and pad thickness by following these steps. To measure the rotor thickness, begin by loosening the thumb nut on the side of the tool. Slide the jaws apart and position them on either side of the rotor. Slide the jaws together until both inside edges of the tool lightly touch the pad surface area on the rotor. Record the measurement indicated on the rotor thickness scale. Do not measure the thickness at the outermost edge of the rotor. A lip may exist on the edge, which will give a false measurement. If the reading is 37 millimeters or less, the rotor should be replaced. Refer to Hendrickson publication T71004 or Hendrickson's Replacing the Rotor Maintenance videos. To measure pad thickness, begin by loosening the thumb nut on the side of the tool. Position the jaws of the tool down in between the edge of the pad backing plate and the rotor face. Slide the jaws apart until both of the outside edges of the tool are touching the surfaces of the pad backing plate and rotor. Record the measurement indicated on the pad thickness scale. If the reading is 4 millimeters or less, the pad should be replaced following the manufacturer's instructions. Refer to T72009 for MAXX22T maintenance instructions or Hendrickson's Replacing Brake Pads maintenance video. Detailed information on Hendrickson's ADB Wear Indicator Tool is available on Hendrickson's website or by contacting Hendrickson Technical Services.